Salisbury Plain, South Georgia, our first landing, and what best way to do it than a sunrise landing. We started operations at 4 a.m. We got that fantastic light, perfect weather, all the birds are active, penguins are coming and going.
It's hard to explain how wonderful it is. You look at the mountains all around, you look at the animals, you watch the seals. You walk to the penguins or they come up to you. And it's hard to describe because it's just an incredible stark beauty, no matter where you look.
So Georgia is exceptionally wonderful for its landscape and in the amount of wildlife, but it's a hard place to get. In these days in which we can get from one side of the planet to the other in one day, you know, to have to invest in a way so many days of sailing to get here shows you where it is and how far it is, and that there are places in the world that you need to make an effort to get to.
What everybody's always said about South Georgia is that it's just so mind-blowing and the place they would always go back to. And this is my first time here, and I see it and I hear it. I keep trying to get audio of those of the birds making their joyous calls in the morning. So as I'm watching this happen and I'm shooting it, and I see them so close to me, I'm uncertain about which to be looking at, through my lens or looking at the birds themselves.
It's a jewel. It's an incredible place, full of wildlife, full of good sights. I think it shows us what the world used to be in most places before human intervention. And for me, that's the main reason to come to South Georgia, to see that there are places that are still wild and we can keep them like that.